Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error on Windows 10. This is a boot issue, so this is usually a hardware problem or a corrupt system file. The first thing you want to do is disconnect all the external devices. Basically USB drives, external hard drives, printers, etc, etc. They can all cause this error. Disconnect everything except your keyboard and mouse. Reconnect your PC to see if the error still occurs. And if it didn't occur, connect each device one by one to see what the issue is. Once you have identified the faulty device, you want to go to Device Manager here and update the driver. For example, this, go update driver and search automatically for drivers. And also you might want to make sure that if you're on a desktop PC, for example, internal faulty connections, hard drive cables, etc, etc, can cause these issues. So make sure that everything is seated properly. The next thing you might want to try is to go into WinRE. So you can boot into safe mode, which can bypass this error. How do you go into safe mode? You power on and off your PC 3 times by holding the power button 10 seconds each time to trigger the Windows recovery environment. In the Windows recovery environment, go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, and Restart. Then after reboot, press 4 or F4 to select safe mode. And if you can boot into safe mode, proceed with the following steps from there. Okay, next you want to run the system file checker. So go to search thing here, type in command prompt, hit run as administrator. And from here you want to type in sfc/scan, now all one word, hit enter. This will scan your entire PC for corrupt system files and automatically replace them. It is very useful. After it is done doing that, don't want to wait for it to finish, but you want to type in check disk /f /r to scan and fix disk errors, and you want to type in Y and then reboot your PC to see if the errors are fixed. Now next you can perform a startup repair tool. So Windows has a built-in repair tool. Go back into WinRE as I described earlier. Go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Repair, and following the prompts to diagnose and repair the issue and restart once again. And that should fix the issue. If it did, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Have a nice day.